Come on, move it. Let's go. Now, let's go. Good. Ready. Go ahead. Now. Hey, what you say, what?
Hey, give me the 2 bags. Clark, get the 2 bags.
Lean your hips.
That's it.
There you go.
That's the way to gain ground. Dip and rip. Lean. Be violent. Let's go.
Go. Lean. Good. Be violent.
Go. Lean. Get back to the bottom. Good. Full speed, more violent. Let's go.
Set. Go. Pull. Come on. That's it. Bam. That's it. Bam. Good. Got it back. Hey, just get up there close. Let's go.
Don't stop running. Full speed.
There goes another hand. One guy's going. One guy's get in there, babe. Let's go.
No, we'll start with the nose guard right there. Ready, set, go. Bop. Very good right there, horse.
Down. Ready, set, go.
Good right there. Ready, set, go. Blue 27. Ready, set, go. Hit it. Boom. Very good right there.
Set, go. Pull.
First PAT field goal. Let's go.
Just get over here and just get in the shield, but you're not trying to go through the shield, okay?
Get flat. Turn it.
So 6, 7, and 8, your linebacker depth.
2 times 1. 3 minus 1. 1 times 1. 1. That's it.